This is our MOS Nano Optical film, the sample brochure, which is the same size as the iPhone. Inside the sample brochure, the features and functions of our nano optical film are introduced. Now I will use the laser point to show you the feature and functions of our MOS Nano Optical film. As you can see, this is our laser point with a red dot on the wall. For example, this is our diffuser film. With the addition of our diffuser film, the original dots becomes a diffuser light spot. This is our single asymmetric film with diffuser. The position of the red dot has changed. The dot has shifted from the center to the side, and the light spot has diffused. We also have the single asymmetric film. You can see the dot has moved from the center to the side. This is our double asymmetric with diffuser. One dot turned to two diffuser spots. And we also have double asymmetric film. One dot turned to two dots. We also have the linear film. The red dot has become a stretched rectangular light spot. Have assembled the different optical film into this sample brochure, which will be shown you at this time, Guangzhou Lighting Fair. And we also prepare our Kirin bag and our water bottle. Our booth number is hole 9.2 D26. So welcome all of you to come to our booth and get the gifts.